5 remote working jobs you can start from home to earn money quickly. If you're looking for a way to try and earn money fast and you're not really sure what to do, but you don't want to end up getting caught up with the rat race, commuting to work every day, wasting hours of your time, then one of the best alternatives would be remote working jobs. So I'm not going to hang around, we're just going to dive in and I'm going to give you this list to see what you think for yourselves. Number 1. Short form strategist. What you'll do. A short form strategist develops and optimizes content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts and other bite-sized video formats. You'll analyze trending content, create content calendars, write scripts and strategize posting schedules to maximize engagement and reach for brands or creators. Some of the skills that are needed: a deep understanding of social media algorithms and trends, strong copywriting abilities for hooks and captions, basic video editing knowledge, analytics interpretation skills, creativity and trend spotting abilities. Some of the potential income that you can earn. If you're a freelancer, depending on the job or the project, you can charge an hourly rate or per project itself, and that can range anything from between $2,000 to $3,000, even $5,000 or euros per month, or can range anywhere between 40,000 to even 70,000 euros or dollars annually for full-time positions. But given the amount of work that's available, experienced strategists are able to manage multiple clients that can also allow them to earn significantly more over time. But how do you actually get started? The best course of action would be to build a portfolio by managing your own social media accounts or offering services to small businesses at discounted rates. Take free courses on platforms like HubSpot, Academy, Google, Udemy, Allison.com and other well-known platforms. You can also join freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out directly to content creators or small businesses to show them what you can do. And why it's quick to start. There is a low barrier to entry since you only need a computer and an internet connection. Many businesses desperately need this service right now, making demand high and competition for entry-level positions moderate. You don't need to know everything in order to figure out what to do. You just have to know enough and have a basic set of skills to be able to get started. Number 2. Customer Service Coordinator. So what will you do? Remote customer service coordinators handle customer inquiries by phone, email, chat or social media. You'll resolve complaints, process orders, provide product information and ensure customer satisfaction. Some roles involve coordinating between departments to solve complex issues. And skills that will be needed. You'll need excellent written and verbal communication, patience and empathy, problem solving abilities, basic computer literacy, ability to multitask and manage time effectively, familiarity with CRM software, which can be learned on the job also, and the potential income you can earn can range anywhere between $30,000 to $50,000 or euros for full-time positions, with part-time roles typically paying anywhere between 15 and 25 euros per hour, with some companies offering performance bonuses and benefits. So how do you get started? Many companies hire entry-level customer service reps with minimal experience. You can search job boards like Indeed, Remote Co or FlexJobs or any other local services online. Companies like Amazon, Apple, Shopify and various call centres frequently hire remote customer service staff. Complete any required training programs which are often paid. Why it's quick to start? It's one of the fastest remote jobs to secure because companies constantly need customer service support all the time. Training is usually provided on the job itself and you can often start within 1 to 2 weeks of being hired. Number 3. Content Risk Reviewer. What you'll do. Content risk reviewers, also called content moderators, evaluate user-generated content on social media platforms, websites and apps to ensure it complies with community guidelines and legal requirements. You'll review text, images and video, flagging inappropriate, harmful or violating content for removal. The skills that are needed. Strong attention to detail, ability to follow detailed guidelines consistently, emotional resilience. Some content can be disturbing. Good judgment and decision-making skills, cultural awareness and sensitivity, ability to work independently. So the potential income can range anywhere between 30 to 50,000 annually in euros or even dollars for full-time positions, with some specialised roles often reviewing content in multiple languages or technical content to earn more over time. So how you can get started. Major tech companies and third-party moderation firms regularly hire content reviewers. You can check job boards and company career pages on some of their websites, and some positions require bilingual skills which can increase your chances, and most training is usually provided on the job. So why it's quick to start? There is a high turnover and constant demand, meaning companies are frequently hiring. Minimal experience is required and comprehensive training is typically provided, and you can often start within a few weeks of your application. Number 4. Remote setter, appointment setter. And what you'll do, remote setters or appointment setters contact potential clients through cold calling, emails or social media to schedule appointments for sales teams. You'll qualify leads, explain services briefly, handle objections and coordinate calendars. This role bridges marketing and sales departments. The skills that are needed: strong communication and persuasion skills, comfort with rejection and persistence, basic CRM and scheduling software knowledge, active listening abilities, time management and organisation, goal-orientated mindset, and the potential income you can earn can range anywhere between $35,000 to $60,000 or euros annually, often with commission or bonuses based on appointments set or closed deals. And top performers can earn a lot more with aggressive commission structures. So how can you get started? Look for positions in industries like real estate, insurance, B2B software, consulting and even coaching. Many startups and growing companies need appointment setters. Search on Indeed, LinkedIn or niche job boards, and even other remote working websites. Even consider starting with commission-based roles to prove your skills quickly. Why it's quick to start? Many companies will hire based on communication skills and attitude alone rather than experience. Training periods are usually short, within 1 to 2 weeks, and can demonstrate results quickly, leading to stable income within your first month. Number 5. Funeral sales specialist. So what will you do? Funeral sales specialists work remotely for funeral homes, cemetery companies or pre-planning services, helping families arrange funeral services and pre-need plans. You'll guide families through service options, pricing and payment plans with empathy and professionalism, often handling inbound calls from people seeking information. So the skills that are needed: exceptional empathy and emotional intelligence, professional communication skills, comfort discussing sensitive topics, sales ability without being pushy, organisational skills for managing paperwork, knowledge of the funeral industry, and you'll often get trained on the job. So the potential income you can earn can range anywhere between $40,000 to even $60,000 or $70,000 annually, or the euro equivalent, with many positions offering commission on pre-need sales. With experienced specialists can earn even more depending on performance. So how can you get started? You can research funeral home chains and cemetery companies and other local services that offer remote positions. Some companies provide comprehensive training programs. Having a caring demeanour and sales background will help. Even look for pre-need counsellor or family service counsellor positions, as they will likely be additional alternatives. So why it's quick to start? The funeral industry consistently needs professionals, and many companies provide thorough training. While the work requires emotional maturity, it doesn't typically require specialised degrees or certifications. Positions are often available with a relatively quick hiring process, and the role can be deeply meaningful for those suited to it. So these remote jobs that we've outlined here will cater to different roles or dynamics, depending on your skill set, and can likely be a good entry point into the workforce if you're looking to earn somewhat of a consistent income. So the final tips that you can use for all of these roles, especially if you're planning on working from home or remotely, would be to set up a professional home office space with reliable internet connections, invest in a quality headset for phone or video work, update your resume to highlight transferable skills, and to understand more of what companies and organisations are looking for. Also be prepared for conducting video interviews, as that more than likely will be part of the process. But take your time and research every company thoroughly before you actually apply for a job. And the key thing is to be patient but persistent, as while applying for these jobs, because there's so many applications, landing your first remote role can take some time. But with a lot of active searching and requirements, and if you have the skills, it shouldn't take long to find something. And if you would like more help to find out more ways of how you can earn an income online, either through work or other avenues, it might be worth checking out this next video.